Hi everyone, this is Fred from Landscape Plus. So we're going to show you here how to test your pressure and flow from your outdoor tap. The first thing you'll need to test your pressure is one of the Landscape Plus pressure gauge kits. So they're really simple to use, they come pre-assembled. All you need to do is click them onto your tap connector. And then when you open up your tap, you've got the pressure gauge there, and you can see here we have just over 5 bar of pressure there. So once you're done, you can turn that off. I'm going to spurt out, there we go. And next up, we want to test our flow rate, which is really easy to do. Just use a bucket, get that sat under the tap, and what we need to do is time it for 30 seconds. So I'm ready with my stopwatch, here we go. So there we are, 30 seconds later, we get it on a flat surface, look at the markers on your bucket, and we're just under 8 litres there, which means we have around 15 or 16 litres per minute coming from this tap. One common misconception that we get really often is that pressure and flow are related from your outdoor tap. It's really important to test both. So you can do that with our Landscape Plus pressure gauge kits. You can test the pressure. We've tested this and it's 5.5 bar. You can then do the bucket test, and we've tested this tap and it's at 15 litres a minute. So very high bar pressure, but quite an average flow rate. It's really important to test both, because that way you can tell us both of those, and when we're specifying your irrigation, we make sure that we get it exactly right.